Hey, I'm recording now.
Yay!
We're trying to get some footage. Let's see if I can not drop the phone in the water.
Are you having fun with your stingrays?
Aya. Aya.
And it scares me when they like.
They don't have barbs.
I know they don't. It's still like.
Yeah. The party's over. Yeah? Sucked at her fingers. That looks kind of like a shrimp.
Holy shit.
No wonder the stingrays love you, babe.
5 little shrimp.
It's like nothing.
Yeah. Oh, good.